How to make Amazon affiliate account. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can make an Amazon affiliate account. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To make an Amazon affiliate program, open your browser and go to this web address, which I'll make sure to drop a link in the description. affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once you're here, from the top right hand side, click on the sign in button. When you click the sign in button, if you already have an affiliate account, you could go ahead and then log in. Otherwise, you could come back to recommend products tab, and here you can see the yellow option that says sign up. Click the little sign up button. Enter the email address, and then after that enter your password. By the way, this is not a separate account. This account will be linked to your normal Amazon account. So if you already have an Amazon account, you can simply just use that same account for your Amazon affiliate program as well. Go ahead and then make sure to simply copy and verify the code. And just click on the submit code. Once prompted, you'll see that I've already created almost all of the steps of my Amazon associates or affiliate account, but I still need to complete some of the account information. So here, you can see who is the main contact for this account. You can select a different address and click the next button. If you have a mobile or a website, you like a website or a mobile app, you could enter the URL or the addresses of those apps and click the next option. After that, you'll be taken to the page to customize your profile settings, followed by using your associate's central account. But to give you an idea, this is how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.